Hello, welcome to Chinese Lesson with Miss Shirley. Today our lesson is going to be the sky and the weather. 天空與天氣. So let's get started. The word for the sky is 天空. Both are first tone. 天空. The word for stars is 星星. And sometimes when you have two of the same sounds in Chinese, you're going to make the second sound a lighter sound. So you're going to go 星星, 星星. However, very often, because this is the word that children often use, so it is also very acceptable when people say 星星, both stay up in the first tone. 星星, the stars. The word for the moon is 月亮. Both are fourth tones. Let's try again. 月亮. The word for the sun is 太陽. So go down the fourth tone, comes up on the second tone. So let's try. 太陽. Very good. The word for weather is 天氣. 天氣. First tone, 天. Second tone, 氣. The weather. The word for good weather is 好天氣. If you recall, in a different module, we have learned about the word for good is 好, like 你好, which means you good. Wish you well. So 好 means good. Good weather is 好天氣. 好天氣. So the word for bad is 壞. 壞. So a bad weather day or a bad weather is going to be 壞天氣. 壞天氣. Cooling off during a hot day is called 乘涼. Both are second tones. 乘涼. That's right. What about on a cold day and you're trying to get warm? 取暖. So 取 means to take, to acquire, to receive. And 暖 means warmth. So together 取暖 means warming up, getting warmth. So let's try again. Both are third tones. 取暖. 取暖. If you recall, the word for the sky is 天空. So the very first word actually means the sky or anything to do with heaven. It's called 天. So the weather happens in the sky. So therefore, when you have a sunny day, we're going to call it 晴天. 晴天. 晴 is a character that means sunny. Sunny. And the left side of the character is 日, which means the day or the sky in this case. And on the right side of the character is 晴, which in the ancient Chinese world, it actually means blue. So blue sky is 晴. So together, a day with blue sky, a good sunny day is 晴天. Let's try again. 晴天. The word for the cloud is 雲, the second tone. 雲. Let's try again. 雲. The word for the cloudy day is 陰天. Again, 天 means the day or the weather or the sky. So 陰 actually means dark. So 陰天 is a cloudy day. 陰天. 下雨 means raining. The second word in this, the second character in this is 雨. 雨 actually means the rain. And 下 means falling down. 下面, below. So 下雨 means the rain is falling down. So literally it means raining. 下雨. And a raining day is 雨天. By now you have noticed the pattern. The second character 天 is how we describe weather. So 雨 means rain. 天 is how we describe the weather. So 雨天, rainy day. Let's try again. 雨天, rainy day. 下雪, this means snowing. So 下 again earlier in raining, we notice 下 means falling down. And 雪, third tone, means snow. So the snow is falling down, it is snowing. 下雪. Very good. So what about a snowy day? You got it. The second character is going to be 天, and the first character is going to be snow. 雪, 雪. So a snowy day is 雪天. Let's try again. 雪天, or sometimes we can call this the 下雪天. The word for the wind or the breeze, anything that when the air blows, is 风. So let's try again. First tone, 风. When it is windy, we have a big gust of wind. So the first character is the character for big, 大, 大. And the second character, of course, is the character for 风, the breeze or the wind. So windy is 大风, 大风. What about breeze? A breezy day or a breeze, 微风, 微风. 微 means tiny, little, and 风 means the breeze. So together, 微风, 微风. There are several ways to describe a hurricane, and one of the words we use is 飓风, 飓风. That's the hurricane. And a tornado is 龙卷风, 龙卷风. And a big and bad storm is going to be called 暴风雨, 暴风雨. Now, 暴 actually means violent. 风, as we know, means the wind. 雨 means the rain. So together, this is a violent wind and rain storm. 暴风雨, 暴风雨. And this concludes our module of the sky and the weather. Please comment below to let me know what other types of vocabulary and sentence structure you'd like to know. And I have linked a 成语故事, a Chinese idiom cultural story below as well that utilizes the word sky. So hopefully you enjoy. Click like and subscribe to the channel, get the notification for the next episode, and I look forward to hearing from you. Chinese lesson with Miss Shirley. If I can speak Chinese, so can you.